In this video, I will show you how to allow camera and microphone for Facebook Messenger. First of all, open up any browser and go to messenger.com. Then what you need to do is go to the three dot icon in the top right corner. Then at the last, you will see settings. Click on it. From the left menu bar, click on privacy and security. Scroll down below until you find site settings. Click on it. Then here you will see permissions. Click on camera. Click on site can ask to use your camera. Go back. Then go to microphone. Here also choose sites can use your microphone. One thing you need to make sure is that here you can see not allowed to use your microphone. You can see messenger here. What you need to do is delete this. Then let's go back to our messenger tab. Then one more thing you can ensure that your microphone and camera is allowed is to go to the place where URL is, and right beside it you will see this control bar. Here you can see camera and microphone. Both of these sliders are off. Turn it on. And that's it. Now you will be able to use your camera and microphone for Facebook Messenger. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment down below, and thank you for watching.